Dear students, in this unit, we will talk about the evolutionary evidences based on the anatomical homologies. As you are aware that anatomy is the study of internal organs. So based on the anatomy of the organism, there are many different evidences which prove the theory of evolution. Evidence from the evolution comes from many different areas of biology, such as anatomy, molecular biology, biogeography, fossils, as well as direct observation of the organisms. Physical features shared due to evolutionary history are known as homologous features. Now, homologous features have basic structural similarities, even though the structure may be used in different ways, but internally they are the same because homologous features derive from the same structure in a common ancestor. For example, here we can see in mammals, the forelimb is modified in different ways. As you can see, in human, the forelimb is used as arms, while in dog species, it is used as a foreleg. While in bird, the forearm is used for the flying of these birds, whereas in whale, if you might have seen a whale, it has a wing-like structure known as pads. Those pads are internally just like the hands. It has fingers, but those flaps are covered, those hands are covered with flaps just like web. It helps them in better in swimming. So these are homologous features, although they all different, they have different functions, but internally they are the same structures. Now, these homologous features indicate evolutionary affinities among the organism which possess them. That's why they are grouped together in the species, in the group of mammals. Now, other than homologous features, the opposite to that, we have homoplastic features. These features evolve independently to have similar functions in distantly related organisms. Those organisms have certain organs which perform the same function, but they have been developed differently. The example can be the wings of birds. The forearm, they have been developed into wings, and they help in the flying. While if we see the butterfly, the arm of the butterflies, they are not used in the flying. They have wings which are originated separately from the separate part of the organs, but they perform the same function of flying. So they are known as homoplastic features. Now, these homoplastic features demonstrate convergent evolution, in which organisms with separate ancestries adapt in similar ways to comparable environmental demands. Now, sometimes organisms have structures that are homologous to important structures in other organisms, but have lost their ancestral function. I mean, they are homologous, they are same, but due to certain modifications in evolutionary process, they have lost the function of those organs. These structures are known as vestigial structures or vestigial organs. Vestigial structures are normally non-functional or degenerate remnants of structures that were present and functional in their ancestral organism. For example, in human, the coccyx bone, which is present at the end of the vertebral column, is thought to be a result of a tail which was present in the ancestors of the humans, but it has lost its function as remain as a remnant structure in the humans. The structure occasionally become vestigial as species adapt to different modes of life.